This is my gaming keyboard. It's a 60% mechanical keyboard, leaving up to hunt a room for my mouse. It's got a really cool backlight, and I love its color because it matches my desk setup. It comes with the keyboard itself, as well as an average non-braided USB-C cables, spare switches, and a dual keycap and switch port. I got it for $0 on Temu. If you need a great gift, this is it.